4, Sir David Wong. Your question, sir.
Hello. Question here is education important and why?
Right, let me repeat it for you. Is education important? So you're asked for the importance of education and why. Okay?
Education. Coco!
Education is important so that you have a good life when you grow up and you have a
Yes! Yes! Yes!
To have a good life, launch into a better job someday. Thank you very much, number 4. And now is your turn. Candidate number 6. Pick a judge, please.
Hindi niya napag-aralan. Oh my goodness!
Alright, so you pick judge number 5. Ma'am Nenita Lau.
Binuruan na natin.
Kanya yun.
Ang galing ah. Okay na talaga.